Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome back to a video. I haven't made a video in a hot minute, but we're here, queer, and we're looking for a beer. So, today we're making brownies, because it's almost midnight and we're hungry. This is Donny. It's my little brother.
Hi.
Not actually, but that's a long story. So, we have nothing out. We have nothing out.
Nothing?
We have nothing out.
Tell me, what do we need to get? I don't know how to do anything.
Oil, water, and eggs.
We got the eggs.
We got measuring cups. Oh, we're gonna need that.
We have water bottles right here.
Yeah, we're gonna need water. Because we don't want E. coli. We don't want E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli in these brownies.
E. coli.
We're not diseased children.
And we're holy children, made right from God.
You're gonna go to hell just for saying that. Just for saying that. Where's the bowl? Oh, there's the bowl. There's still things in this bowl.
How much bud is in there?
Ha marijuana jokes. Important lesson, kids. Stay in school. Don't do drugs unless you're in a safe environment. And have fun. Live the best life, yo. That's my advice to the world.
Don't get an overprotective boyfriend.
Yeah, that too.
We're gonna edit that part out.
This is me dumping the tea. Dumping the tea. I'm dumping the tea.
Here's the tea.
The tea's being dumped.
Here's the tea all in the air.
You know, I'm gonna make a special video called The Tea, and it's just gonna be an hour long of me just telling you guys where I've been, because I haven't uploaded in a hot minute. It's been a minute. I went to a mental hospital. It was fun. That's where I've been, in a mental hospital, literally. I just dabbed on camera. Okay, kill me. So first we have to set the oven on.
Oh fuck!
Is there shit in the oven?
Oh my honey, no.
I just got him in the schlong with the door of the oven. Love that. Oh, better camera angle. Hello. So, why didn't I open the oven? I'm stupid. What am I doing?
Imagine bashing someone over the head with this, just going bah bah. No.
Do you want to get in the frame of the camera and do that?
Just smashing someone with all of these fucking, just bah bah, right on the head, like a fucking tap their head, like bah. Just harder. Imagine that.
What?
Like this.
What did?
Like this.
What was in the neck? What?
Just. See what I mean? Just go to someone and go pop. Just like pop.
Okay, we're gonna move this over here. Oof. We're gonna move this over here. Insert a montage of us dropping things.
Oh, that would be an hour-long video.
That would be.
That would be longer.
This is an even worse camera angle. Let's find a better camera angle.
Up here.
No! We're too short!
Put it in there. Put it in there.
We're not putting the phone in the microwave, please!
Don't close the microwave though. Just put it there for a camera angle.
That's too high.
Right here?
Yes.
That's face to face.
No, now you can see everything we're doing.
Hi.
Thumbnail! Wait. Thumbnail! I'm done. Thumbnail.
That's how we do our thumbnails here.
That's where we do thumbnails, guys. That's how I get my thumbnails.
How much water do you need?
So we're gonna put this whole damn thing in there.
Put the whole pop. But the whole shit's in there.
I shouldn't be doing this on the oven. This is a hot surface. Sister,
It's not hot.
It's gonna get hot.
Oh, you want to put...
Super slap. But, what?
Boom.
I don't. I'm sliding.
Boom. Well, that's not how you slap box, but... Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, we're done. The 1v1's over.
Yeah,
The 1v1's over, guys.
Wait, that's how distracted we got from cooking to fighting.
This is
I'm dead.
ADHD. Attention deficit disorder. Is that ADHD?
I have ADHD.
ADD. That's the hyperactivity disorder.
That's me.
That's ADHD.
I'm dumb.
I'm smart.
Mom,
You think I have ADHD? Why do you think I have ADHD,
This is
Mom?
Mindy. This is Mama Mindy.
Hi.
Boop.
You know, so what? Hold on, no, kid. Why are you what?
Is this Wizard of Oz?
You saw.
Honey, do I don't hurt yourself.
Oh my goodness.
You know,
Oh! Right back in the same spot.
that's your ass. That's what you get for being too quick.
And that's why we can't have nice things. Woo! Okay, then you finished Stranger Things. I love Millie Bobby Brown. She's a queen. Honestly, I feel like me and Millie Bobby Brown will be like really good friends. Like, Millie, if you're watching this video, hit me up, girl. Hit me up. Okay? Long Island, New York is where it's at. We poppin', we boppin'. But don't worry, we still floppin'.
We on the beach, boys.
I just teleported to the floor. Stop. Keep your shirt on. This is a PG channel.
What do you mean keep your shirt on? I got hot, so I lifted my shirt up for a sec to get the air through my shirt. What are you talking? Fine, I'll do this. This is better.
Where did your mom put the measuring cup? The one measuring cup that you guys have. The only measuring cup. Where is it? Where is the cup?
Motherfucker.
This is what happens when you don't move in.
Oh, right here.
There it is. No, not that. The glass measuring cup. Okay.
This is...
There's a glass measuring cup.
My nigga. Let's go ask Mom.
You're white. Don't say the N-word. Edit that out.
Nigger.
Stop.
Mom.
You heard nothing.
Mom.
There are children watching this.
Where's the measuring?
I'm sorry. No, there it is. Found it.
Found it?
Oh, it's covered in salmonella.
Was it in the dishwasher?
Yeah. Dishwasher on. Stupid. Stupid.
Don't call me stupid.
Stupid. 1 cup. How many do you need? 1/3 cup. A 1/4 cup of water. Well, guess what? We have cups on cups on cups. Okay, Cuphead. Never played it, but I heard it's a good game. GG, well played. Oh, Jesus.
See you smoking there?
That's a refrigerator, dumbass. Look at this kid. Look at this kid. Look at this kid. Look at this kid. Look at this 13-year-old child trying to get a hit from a fridge. A fridge. You know what? You know what? You know what? Good night. Oh my. I hate myself. This video has gone from baking to us being on crack.
So
And trying to bake.
And then went to straight heroin. Yeah.
The camera's back over here now because I need to focus. So, 350. Wow. I'm a genius. So, okay. This is literally, wow. Where's the cooking oil? There it is. We have all our ingredients. Time to mix. Hee hee, get up a spoon for me, Donny.
Get a spoon?
We spent like a whole 10 minutes not doing anything. You know what? I'm gonna put this over here so you can actually.
Do you need to like mix something?
Yes, I need to mix something. I need to mix the mixtures together.
This would probably be better.
That's not a spoon.
That would probably be
That's
better.
a pasta thing.
I don't care.
That's a pasta spoon. You need a spoon.
See, this is why we can't have things. Because
We're not sponsored, by the way.
Because people don't think of weird
Put that
shit.
knife away, you dumbass.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. This kid's on cocaine.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. It was only 2 tabs of acid, Mom. Oop. Plop.
You would think Kira hasn't said that to my mom yet. You think I'm joking?
I don't do drugs, Mom. It's only marijuana. Stranger Things quote.
Yeah, low-key my mom.
Stranger Things quote. Stranger Things quote. Sorry. You guys can't see anything because the camera's out of focus. This is great. But now you get that real ASMR cooking up in here.
Oh my god. Just
Where's
looking
the
at all
light?
that makes me want to throw up.
Give me that. Give me that. Stop running away from me. Thank you, Donald. So I need a quarter cup of water.
Something.
I don't know if that's right. Quarter cup of water.
Yes. This is fun. Like,
Because like
yes.
maybe it's born. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's just like
Things off
she's just a little bitch.
So how are we doing this?
So I'm just doing. You just do the thing. Shut 'em.